make it is, this is a cup and a half.
Oh, they campfire.
So of course you're gonna start with the Canoe the Wild Campfire Blend.
Nice.
Carabasset
Oh,
Valley.
look at you. You got your logo on there.
So that's what you gotta use, and we'll use a cup and a half of grounds, fine cone, ground, grind, or whatever.
You see the stars last night.
All right.
Yeah, did you get up?
Yeah.
And then we actually put them in cold.
In cold water?
So I leave enough room to put a cup of cold water to stir. So that's Cowboy coffee, and we're gonna have a fire before we do anything else.
Here we go. We got a nice little fire started. Good job, Stephen. The next step is getting these pots heated up. That doesn't look like it's going to take too long.
Take a while. That big 20 cupper.
All right, you ready, Dave? What are we doing now?
I'm just going to take these grounds and give them a little stir. Kind of mix them up a little bit. And then I'll put the cover back on because it's pretty hot, so it's hard to... Alright. The goal is to try to catch it before it boils over.
So that was pretty hot in there? You were checking it for heat and...
Well, I want to stir. I want to steep the grounds. I want them to... You know, we put it in on top. They sit on top, but this really kind of mixes the grounds with the water throughout.
Okay.
So we can really get the grounds mixed real well. And then we're going to bring it to a boil.
And then when it boils, you just let it settle at the bottom?
Yeah, well, we're going to take it off and we're going to stir it clockwise and put a cup of cold water in. That helps settle the grounds to the bottom.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's the trick.
Yeah.
All right.
And you got to turn it clockwise because we're north of the equator.
How do you do that here?
So south of the
Oh,
equator,
you're
you got to turn
messing
it
with me. You're messing with me.
No, which way
Oh.
which way the toilet spins south of the equator? Counterclockwise, right?
Okay, I'll
Well, we're
go
north
with
of the
it.
equator, so you got to spin it clockwise.
Well, it's not a toilet.
That's a good point. Root beer, doesn't it? Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait, let me see in there.
Cowboy coffee.
We will be caffeined up soon.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
So what will
Is
happen
that your
this-
plan so that we're all hyped up? We can paddle faster?
I just like good coffee and it's a cool day. So what will happen is the spout will boil first, but its faults doesn't mean that the main kettle has. This is boiling now because the steam's coming out really good, so that's actually boiling.
Yeah.
Look at it
Oh,
rolling.
yeah, it is.
So we'll see a little boiling there. I tried to get her pukes over the side, and I didn't get it this morning because we had to clean it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so look, see it starting now?
Oh, it is.
Oh, it's boiling. So I don't have my gloves, I'm gonna do this.
Oh, boy.
Oh, I caught it.
Oh, you did. That was like, you got to be on that.
You gotta be on it. Okay, now what I do? Clockwise, because we're north of the equator.
Stop it.
No, think about it. And then we pour a cup of cold water in. Help settle those grounds. That's a full 20 cupper. Coffee is ready. The handle's gonna be hot for a little bit now, so.
All right, Dave. I'll have some of that nice brew you just made.
Sure.
Cheers.